In this video, I'll detail how to turn on or off background app refresh on iPhone. So if your iPhone apps refresh in the background section, you can easily turn off the feature to turn on background app refresh. And if you want your apps to refresh in the background, connecting to the cellular data and use the data to refresh your background to update your apps, then you can easily turn this on. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to turn on or turn off background app refresh is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down. Then click on General. Once you selected General, you want to scroll down the General page, then locate Background App Refresh. Click on that. Now to turn on Background App Refresh on your iPhone, click on Background App Refresh, and then select Wi-Fi and Mobile Data. So the essence of this is this. This is going to make the Background App Refresh available whether you're using Wi-Fi or you're using mobile data. And if you found some of the application whose app refresh you need here are not included, all you just need to do is go ahead and turn on the app refresh button like this. That's going to turn on the background app refresh on your iPhone. However, to turn off the background app refresh, all you just need to do is click on background app refresh and then choose off. And then you should see all this disabled on your iPhone. So that's all you need to do to turn off background app refresh on iPhone on our 18. Found this really helpful and informative? Please don't forget to like and subscribe.